In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in Google Drive. Whether you're managing personal documents, work projects, or school materials, having a well-organized Google Drive can make your digital life a lot easier. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to go to Google Drive. You can do this by typing https://drive.google.com into your web browser's address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Don't worry, this is a normal step, and once you're in, you'll see all your files and documents. Now it's time to create some folders. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a button labeled plus new. Go ahead and click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select folder. You can give this folder a name pertinent to the group of files you're organizing. For instance, if you're sorting out documents for a specific project, you can name the folder after that project. This helps keep everything in its rightful place and easy to access. After creating your folders, it's time to move your files into them. This step is as simple as drag and drop. Just click on the file you want to organize and drag it over into the folder you've created. You'll see the folder highlight when you're hovering the file over it, indicating it's ready to drop. Releasing your mouse button will move the file into the selected folder. Continue doing this for each of your files until all are neatly sorted. Next, let's add some additional organization. By right-clicking on any file or folder, you can rename it, move it to another folder, or even color code it. Remember, renaming files and folders can further enhance clarity. Instead of generic file names like document 1 or folder 2, give them names that accurately reflect their contents. This makes searching and navigating much easier down the line. Color coding can be particularly beneficial if you are a visual organizer. You can assign different colors to folders based on categories, urgency, or personal preference. For example, you might want to label work documents in blue and personal files in green. This visual cue will quickly guide you to the right section of your drive, saving you time in those frantic searches. And there you have it, a straightforward process to keep your Google Drive in tip-top shape. With everything organized into folders and labeled appropriately, the next time you log in, you'll find your files ready and waiting. Keeping up with this system will ensure that your digital workspace remains clutter-free, efficient, and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.